Welcome back to Good Day PA live here at the York State Fair. Well, we've talked music, animals, food, and even cheese carving. Yes, and now we're adding some DIY projects into the show. Amy Latta is here live bringing Getting Crafty to the York State Fair today. She's helping us to add a little farm-style decor to our home. Amy, thanks for stopping by the fair.
Of course, I love to come. I already saw all the bunnies and I pet the goat.
Yes, and we can hear some sheep or a goat or something behind us here too. They are lively today. So we couldn't bring everything that we might normally bring into the studio, but what we have here is some crafty ideas surrounding the farm theme, right?
Yes, and farmhouse decor is so popular anyway, Brett.
Yeah.
My home is done in a lot of that style, and I think this is a really fun touch for anybody's home, just to kind of celebrate agriculture. And you know, most of us live in this great rural kind of area,
Absolutely.
and we can celebrate that by creating these farm-style crafts.
Look at that. Okay, that's great. So what exactly do we have to do here? Walk us through that, and that's sort of a hanging decoration, correct?
It is, yes. I added a hanger on it. Of course, you could prop it up like we did here, but it's perfect for a front door. It's great for on the wall, in your dining room, or anywhere in your house that you want. But basically, all you need is this wooden sign base, and I got mine at Michael's. You can get them in any size. This one is 18 inches, but if you want something a little bit smaller, you can do that as well. I got mine pre-whitewashed because, you know, easy is better. But you could also, if you want it to be a different color, you could get a natural wood one and paint it or stain it any color that you like.
And depending on your front door, whatever, that may work too.
Exactly, that's true. If you have a white door, you might want to paint your sign. So then the next thing I did was I went to my trusty Cricut. And you know, Brett, this is my crafting best friend. And the Cricut, if you're not familiar with it, is an electronic cutting machine. Sometimes people think it's a printer, but it's actually a cutter. So what we do is I've created this design. You'll recognize my hand lettering there. And then I've got the silhouettes of a cow, a pig, and a rooster.
Perfect.
Yes, and so what you do is on my website, you can download that file for free, and you open it in the Cricut app, which is called Design Space, and then the Cricut will cut it for you from any material that you want. In this case, we want Cricut Smart Vinyl. So it's just this roll of black vinyl, you feed it in the machine, and you basically end up with a sticker. And you'll just use, I use a clear transfer paper to help me move the whole thing together since it's so large. And then you just press it and it is adhered onto your board.
And that makes the shadow type figure there. That's really cool. But these Cricuts are amazing what they can do.
They really are. You can do so many things. And then to finish off the project, I just got some faux greenery. It's exactly the same as what I have here. It's just a flower pick from Walmart. And I pulled it apart, added a few faux berries, and then I put a little bow in the middle, and so you've got your greenery there to add some color along with the black and white.
Yeah, I mean, assuming you already have the Cricut, this is not that expensive to make, and it looks like, I mean, it could be because, of course, you're very talented, but if you want to do this at home, like you said, a lot of it's available at Michael's, and you put that image on your website, which is what again?
It is amylattacreations.com. So you can come and just grab that for free and cut it with your Cricut. Or if you don't have a Cricut, you could take that image, you can print it out, and you could trace it onto the board and paint it in if you want to do that instead.
Awesome. All right, real quickly though, you also have some other ideas that kids would love?
I do. I have tons of fun kids crafts. I just made this photo frame using alcohol markers. You just kind of scribble on there and then use rubbing alcohol to blend them all together. I have an emoji faces canvas that your teenagers are going to love. So something for the kids as they wrap up summer.
I love that. Amy, thanks so much for stopping by the fair. We appreciate it.
Thank you. I'm glad to be here.
Yep, we'll see you again soon, of course. All right.